Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be telling you what you can do if your headphone jack is not working in your device Vivo Y35. So if you're facing trouble related to your earphone connection problem or headphone jack problem, you can fix it by following the few steps which I'll be showing you in my today's video. But before we move on to the video, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe or press the bell icon so you won't miss any of my updates. Now watch this complete video and you will learn how you can fix any problem related to your headphone jack.